This is one of the craziest channels I've ever seen. With only 12 videos, it has gained 42,000 subscribers and over 4.2 million views. If we assume a $4 RPM, they've generated more than $16,000 from ad revenue alone. And the best part? The videos are super easy to create. It's just a simple voiceover and AI-generated images with a little animation. The content is completely evergreen, meaning it keeps getting views for years. What's even better is that you can use the exact same format in almost any niche. In this video, I'll show you how to create these videos specifically for the ancient history niche using Claude AI. Later in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can set up your channel to avoid YouTube shadow bans. But before that, let's start with the most important step.
Close your eyes for a second. Now, try to picture your own face. Not a photo, not a memory of a photo, your actual face, right now, in this room. You can't really do it, can you? You know the pieces, the shape of your nose, the color of your eyes, but the whole thing, assembled perfectly in your mind, the way a stranger sees it, it's blurry, it's guesswork. Now imagine you could never check.
When you create a brand new channel, it starts with a low trust score because YouTube doesn't yet know if a real person is behind it. So here's what you need to do. If you already have an old YouTube account that you've been using for a while, that's perfect. If not, create a new account and use it for at least 2 weeks. Watch videos, engage properly, like, comment, and behave like a normal user. After that, open YouTube Studio and enable the intermediate and advanced feature eligibility options in the settings. Then, upload your first video. Now YouTube has enough signals to understand that you're a real person and not a bot trying to spam content.